Hey everybody, welcome to the shop here at Tucson Acres. Problem, that. This is a 03 Jeep Grand Cherokee, the WJ, and honestly, I haven't even looked on YouTube to see if there's one of these videos out there, but I'm gonna try to fix this thing today. Apparently there's a plastic through mount system in this where that plastic part breaks. Yeah, it wants to come off of there. So what I'm going to try to do is pop this mirror off, see if I can't access it and figure out some way to reattach it. I'm assuming the spring is still okay. It's just the plastic, but we'll dig into it. And use a little plastic pry bar. Should just lift up and pry out. There it goes. Just got to get it further. You got to tilt it so to get this out, you pry up, tilt it all the way forward, and then it'll just pop right out. Now we got to disconnect our heater wires. So that part right there broke away from what's below it. I've already popped the piece out from underneath, and that's where it goes through at. And a feller on Reddit or something like that said just to take a couple big fat washers and a bolt and a nut and just run it through there and pinch it back together. And theoretically it should work. So now you can see how that piece right there looks flat, and as soon as I move this thing, you'll see it pull up and away. So that's the spring part. Or that's the plastic housing. The spring part inside of there is still working just fine. And this happened from a car wash. It got knocked funky in a car wash, and it's cold up here. So what I'm worried about is that wire getting chafed by a bolt or a washer. But I happen to have all sorts of kind of cool washers and gizmos. I found these funky little washers in my specialty washer bin. So I'm gonna put one underneath, because you need to get around the cable. So I'll show you that here in a second. And then this top one will go up top. I was gonna use a 5/8, and then, sorry, a nylock nut. I was gonna use a 5/16, but it's a little tight in there, and I don't want that wire chafing. So let's take a look, see how this is gonna work. So you can see the cutout of that washer is clearing the cable, the wire loom. And from the inside, hopefully that bolt is long enough, just barely. You can see it just sticking out there, so I might need to go find a longer one. Yeah. Tell you what, getting this thing started is going to be a bugger. You little shit. Holy crap. Wow. I mean, that works like new. Holy crap. Okay, well, I think we got a wiener. You can see it right there. That's the nut and washer combo on the top. On the bottom, got pretty much the same thing. So you could fashion yourself a washer like that pretty simply, either with a hacksaw or a file or a grinder. Heck yeah. I mean, that locks right into place. Very cool. So a 2.5 to 3 inch, 1/4 inch bolt with a couple washers and a nut. That's it. Problem solved. Well, I hope this helps somebody out there. Thankful to the guy on Reddit. Like I said, I think it was Reddit. I don't know for sure, but whatever. It's nice to have the visual though, so hopefully this helps somebody else out there. So it's definitely not too awfully complicated. There is a little tab on the bottom down there that you have to pop off. Let me grab it and show you. It's this guy right here. and you just grab it from underneath with a pick or a screwdriver and pop it off. That goes up underneath of there. And that's it. So good luck, everybody. Appreciate you all watching. Please hit the like and subscribe buttons. We'll catch you on the next one. Ciao.